are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. So today I want to bring you a different project. Today I want to bring you how to make a multi-purpose desk organizer. And a lot of the products are going to be from Dollar Tree, guys. I have the camera in this position, but I will rotate the camera where you can see a close-up of me doing the project. But right now I just want to show you exactly what materials you need. So you're going to need some Dollar Tree materials. Need some pegboards about this size here, the rectangle shaped pegboards, and you're going to need about 6 of these. You need 2 of these square shape trays. You're going to need 1 of this too. This is also a tray as well. It's just a flatter one. You need 1 of that. 3 of these smaller square shape pegboards too. These ones come 2 in a package, so you're going to need just 3 of these. Okay. I'm going to need some of these pegboard hooks. I need some cable ties. You can purchase all these are from Dollar Tree so far, guys. So a few things is not going to be from Dollar Tree, of course, but majority of the stuff is from Dollar Tree. And then you're going to need some adhesive rings. Okay, and this goes with the pegboards as well. Yeah, I purchased 3 of them. Some ring hooks as well. Need some pencil holders. These are so beautiful. It's like a nice cotton candy. You need about 4 of these, guys. And you're going to need also a pencil holder. And it's just a rounder shape of a cup. You're gonna need that as well. So far that's what we're gonna need. And so let's go ahead and get into tutorial. Okay guys, let's go ahead and put this together. So let's go ahead and start with our 2 pegboards, and we're gonna be placing it like this, okay? See these 2 bumps, guys? You wanna put that in the back. These layers right here, I just think it's best for you to put in the back. Just get the other one that's a little flatter. Just put that there, and then you're gonna do the same thing with the front as well. Put it like this, guys. And we're going to be putting cable wires right in between here. This hook right here, these 2. And then it's going to be in between those 2 as well. Right? And then you're going to do the same thing for the other side too. Try not to pull it too tight, guys. Just make it loose for right now so we can adjust it, make sure it's in position. Like that so far with the cable. 2 cable ties right there. 1 right here and 1 right there. It should be sitting just like this, guys. And we're going to be putting this in between. We'll be gluing this, and then we're going to be putting some cable ties there too as well. These 2 should have 2 cables wire right here, and then we're going to be putting some hot glue right here. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we're going to be putting cable wires right here. So your glue gun, and then just glue just the back of this, guys. And then we're just going to push this in. Like I said, this is loose right now, so it's okay. We're going to tighten that up afterwards. Once we get that back piece in there, which we did, let's go ahead and put some cables wires right down the bottom of these 2. Right here, this hole right here, and these 2 holes right here. I went ahead and did the bottom part here. Cable ties right here at the tip of the end. So I want to show you how to do that. This one here, same way I did this one. So you just so you push it through there, these 2 hooks right there, bring it around. And I have this sticking inside of here, like this. So far it should look like that, guys. Right? So we're gonna be putting our middle piece. And so let's go ahead and center this. From the top here to here is 4.5 inches. You're gonna measure it one more time, 5 inch. So we're gonna be putting it like this. And the easy way to do this, guys, is the cable wires, they're sitting on top of it. And that's the easy way you can be able to line that up. And then we're gonna be putting some glue right here, guys. Straight, okay? And then it's gonna look like that, guys. Once you finish doing the back of it, guys, so what we're gonna do is get some masking tape, and we're gonna flip this over and some tape right underneath here. Yeah, and you're gonna do it for the back too and the other side as well, and do double it up, guys. look like that, guys. All right, and that's nice. Look how sturdy that is. And what I did too to finish this up too, you don't have to do this, guys. It's optional. Stuff liner, and I got this from Walmart, but you can purchase this from Dollar Tree too. And I just take a little tiny piece, and this is a white. This is all white. Little tiny piece, and I cut it out about the size of this. And what I did was I took that and I just fold that like this, guys. Fold it in half like that. And then I take off the sticker. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys. I just went and put it right. I fold it in half, make sure it hits its corners. And then I put it, just let it sit right there. It's like that, guys. It's really nice in there. And you can put some in the back there, or I want to put some just these two sides. And it holds it up really good, really strong, guys. So you put it right here, right at the bottom here, and right here as well, guys. I went, because I put it at the bottom just because the cable wires are right there at the bottom. And go ahead and cut those off, guys, if you want. Go in the top now, guys. We're going to be sliding this up here. We're going to glue this part, this back piece right here, down the side, and then the other side too, guys. All the way, make sure it's squeezed all the way in, guys. And I'm going to put some tape at the bottom here too as well. Adhesive lining, what I did here, I'm going to do the bottom here too, guys. I just to secure it even more. Okay, guys, it should now look like this, okay? After you do the inside of that, and some of the top of here too, guys. And so now this is how it looks. And it's nice and strong, guys. That's what I want. I just want it to stay together. Now that you have everything in place, all three of these are done, let's go ahead and do the sides. We're going to be putting covering over these as well. We're going to be putting this like that. Make sure it lines up, guys. There's a hump to this thing right here. We want that in the back. The ones that is a little bit flatter, we want those in front like that. And so we're not going to use any cable ties for these. We're going to actually use rings that we bought. We're going to be putting them in here. We have our cable tie right here, and I don't want to put it where the cable tie is at. So let's go ahead and put it over here and one here, okay? There. And so you're gonna do the same thing. Another one, they're both gonna be facing each other like this. So you're gonna have to put one that lines up right here with this, and then another one lines up right here with this, okay? So go ahead and put two of them on this one here, and then we're gonna put this together like that, okay? And the reason why I'm doing two, guys, because I didn't bought enough of the enough of these adhesive rings, okay? I didn't bought enough, so I'm just doing two over here and two over here. If you get enough, guys, you can do all four corners, guys, okay? It's probably even better because it'll hold it even stronger. Okay, so you're gonna take both of them, and then you make sure that both of them are matching up the flat end, and you're gonna combine them together, guys. Let's go ahead and do this side here, because this side requires a ring hook. You have to connect it to this before I put it on there. Get your ring hooks, and then we're going to be using a big one. We're going to get our pencil holder. This is very small. It's smaller than this, so you have to kind of open it up a little bit. All right, so this can fit in here better, okay? Make sure, yeah. Okay, so you want it to be able to sit in there good. We're going to be putting this in here. Or when you put it on, guys, make sure this flat end is matching, both of them matching up, okay? So the 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth hole, that's where we're gonna be putting this in. You're gonna flip it upwards. It's gonna have to open it up to get that in there. Put it in, and it's gonna sit like this, guys. So on the back of this, guys, we're gonna be gluing. I want to glue it down. I want to put some glue there, and then put some tape on there too. A little bit of glue right here, and then some right here. And then we're gonna put some tape on there. I covered up with some tape back there. I try not to cover the holes, guys, so you don't have to see that tape back there. So, and then it should look like that. Okay, and that's when we're gonna go ahead and put that together now. It's a good time. Let's go ahead and do the back as well. Let's go ahead and put that other piece in the back as well, and then we get to the next step, guys. So now it should be on there, because I'm gonna put some masking tape, guys, on this. Start all the way from the back here. And then you're gonna do the same thing for this here. And then you're gonna do the same thing for around here and back here too. Now it should look like this, guys, with the whole thing covered, okay? You're in the back, the other side. So next we're gonna be using our adhesive liner. We're gonna be putting it over the tape because the tape is too yellow and I don't like that. All the way in the back, guys, too. You cover the back. Every part that have masking tape, you're gonna be covering it with shelf liner adhesive and you're gonna be putting it right there. So let's go ahead and cover that. Everything should be covered, guys, right now. See that? All of this, all here, even the back. And this stuff is very strong, guys. This is like, it's really sturdy. If you're, if you want, you can leave it like this and start decorating and putting things in, guys. But of course, I'm gonna cover this. Now you have two options. Diamond wrap. You can put it like this, guys, and cover that tape up. And that looks pretty. Or you can get yourself some fabric. If you go in this route, get yourself some poster board paper and cut that out and then put fabric all over it, guys. All right, and then you can put it like this. You can put it on there like that. The measurements is 1 inch by 23.5 inch, and then you get some fabric and cover it. And so we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna glue this down, guys, and do this side as well, guys. And we can do this side as well too. Or we can leave it like that, guys. It don't have to be covered. You're not gonna be seeing the back that much. This all set. So in the back, I cover the back as well. And then I put another piece at the top here of the fabric. Our next step is going to be, I want to cover these as well, but I don't want to use this fabric. I want to kind of change it up and go with the diamond wrap. So I'm going to put this up here, and I'm going to put one here, and then another one right here. And just glue this end here, and this one here, and then just the center. Press that one, guys, to make sure it's firmly in there. Go ahead and do it for this one here and that one there. Right, so it should now look like that, guys. Now, this is optional, guys. You don't have to do this, but I'm gonna do it. At the top here, you can cover this, guys. And I cut out a piece of poster board and I cover it with fabric. I think this measure 5 inch by 5 inch. You can cover it with fabric and then put it at the top here, guys. And then you can cover that up like that. I'm gonna get a pencil holder and we're gonna be putting these two, we're gonna connect it together like this, okay? We're gonna put some glue down in the strips in the middle of it at this end and that end. And that, it's beautiful, that looks good. And then we do the same thing for this one here. And then these are gonna be going on the inside of this, like so. And so we're gonna be putting some kind of knob or something to be able to pull this out when we need to pull it out, so we won't be having to go like this all the time. You get these push pins from Dollar Tree. Also got these as well. These self-adhesive hooks. Figure out whether I want to use these to pull it out or use this and maybe put like a, I'm trying to make it easy for you guys. I think I might end up going this route because you guys might not be able to get these beads or even, you might not come across these push pins, but I was thinking about putting it right there like that. Have the hooks where you can probably put this right here and then pull it out. But I think I'll go with my first option. I put the knobs on there, guys. It looks good, I like that. All right, let's go ahead and just finish adding our accessories to the trays, and I'm gonna be putting it right here actually. There, and then I'm gonna put, yep, I'm gonna put one. Okay, hooks, and then we can put some hooks up here. You can decorate it the way you guys want to. So far, this is how it's gonna look, guys. And then once again, you can do You can add more things in the back too. There's more room for the back here. You have your pencil. It goes right there. And make sure you hold on to this before you pull it down. It's perfect. Look at that. That looks gorgeous, guys. Oh, I love it. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and decorate this, guys, and then I'll come back and show you guys the results of it afterwards. Look how beautiful that is. Give you guys a twirl. Yeah, guys, look at that. Looks gorgeous. I love it, and it's so sturdy and strong. I go ahead and decorate this, guys, and then you can see the results. I will definitely do a tutorial and show you guys the whole thing. But yes, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Okay? Bye, YouTubers.